This is the practice test for fractions. Here we're working on problem number 17. And the problem states a warehouse stores 635 different inventory items. 4/5 of these items are perishable. How many of the inventory items are perishable? And what we want to do here is find 4/5 of the total number of items, the 635. Now, to find a fraction of a number, in this case, to find 4/5 of the 635, we always multiply. So we're going to take 4/5 times 635, and you can use your calculator. You would enter in the 4/5 as a fraction using the fraction key, and when you multiply, you're going to get 508. So 508 of the 635 items are perishable, and that is 4/5, 4 out of every 5 of those items. And we just want to remember to take a look at the answer. When we get done, make sure that the answer makes sense, and 508 out of 635, that does make sense.